Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to realistically create snow within Adobe Photoshop. Applying weather effects can be quite difficult, and what I would like to do today is make it a lot clearer for you how to create snow and make it look as realistic as we can just by using a simple couple of steps. Okay guys, let's do it. So what I'm going to do now is come through. Let me just delete these top layers here and start off with the base image. Okay, so with my layers window here, what I'm going to come and do is just simply add a brand new layer on top. I need to make sure that my foreground color is black and my background color is white here. And what I'm going to do is make sure this layer is a smart object because I'll be applying a filter to it, and I'd like to be applying a smart filter afterwards. Okay. With that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Render, and Clouds, like so. With that layer still highlighted, I'm going to come to our blending modes and let's apply soft light here. As you can see already, the effect is really starting to come to life. I'm just going to affect the fill on that just to make it a little bit softer, probably bring it down to about 80% here, like so. Wonderful. Now, I already downloaded an image offline of snow, so I'm just going to come through to File, Place Embedded, and let's paste that on that document. I'm just going to quickly come up here and rotate it 90 degrees, like so, and using my shortcut option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point and Shift to keep it nice and proportionate. Okay, so now with this layer here, what I'm going to come and do is come through and apply screen, like so. Okay. Now, yet again, what I'd like to do is apply a filter to this. Just make sure that this is a smart object, which you can see here through this icon. So with this layer highlighted, I'm now going to come to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Okay. So probably going to say the angle here, probably around 45. And let's say we bring this up to around 120. And now we come through to, okay. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And that's how you realistically create snow within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, check out our Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Some unbelievable designs on there by really talented students. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.